the car ride-sharing app service? Well, Uber in Queensland, Australia are giving riders the opportunity to explore the Great Barrier Reef in the world's first ride-share submarine called Scuba. For a limited time, Scuba will provide riders with an unfiltered view of this extraordinary underwater world.
When you're scuba diving, you've got bubbles and you can hear yourself breathing through the regulator, and you're wearing this mask that kind of puts blinders up to everything that's behind you. When you get in the submarine, it's just this wide open space, and rather than feeling like you're swimming through the ocean, you're really becoming a part of it. And that's when the light bulb goes off for people who have never been underwater or never been in a submarine. They see the connection between the ocean and what's above it.
As you might expect, the experience of riding in a Scuba isn't quite as cheap as your Uber ride home after a night out. The ride will cost $3,000 and includes pickup from your home location, a scenic helicopter ride, 1 hour in the Scuba submarine, and the return trip back to your original pickup address. The Scuba pilot scheme is predicted to generate 1.4 million extra visitors to the reef, and each visitor will be charged a $6.50 conservation levy. The Scuba sub will also collect reef data during every ride, which will help determine conservation efforts of the reef. The ongoing preservation and sustainable protection of the Great Barrier Reef is one of global importance. That's why Uber will be donating $100,000 to the Great Barrier Reef Conservation Program, and will also be donating the equivalent value of every Scuba ride taken to this important cause. Now, I live in Australia, so I'm glad Scuba are offering this service, if only for a limited time. It will help promote the reef and Australia, also help people appreciate one of the greatest natural wonders of the world, and bring much needed money to its conservation, so future generations can appreciate it. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Sometimes, the best moments of our lives are the unpredicted ones, the small surprises, or the everyday experiences. They're the happy accidents that change our lives. We won't always have the time to take out our phone to record these fleeting moments of happiness. Wouldn't it be great to capture and keep these memories instead of simply watching them pass by? This is what we invented, the MochaCam Snap. Snap is the world's smallest 4K camera, and unlike any current action camera, Snap is small enough to wear comfortably, and its elegant design is a fit with any fashion statement. The innovative 180-degree flip lens allows you to shoot from the best angles, and enables so many creative possibilities. It may not always be easy to find the button when you wear a camera, but with Snap, you can turn it on and start filming with just the click of the remote. The Snap battery life allows for 1.5 hours of continuous video recording, which is impressive for a camera of its tiny size. What's more, the video can be uploaded to the cloud via the Wi-Fi connection, so you can share the story of your life with friends and family anywhere immediately. With the magnet, clip, 1/4-inch adapter, or waterproof case, you'll have numerous ways to wear it and explore. And with 4K image quality, those precious moments of life are yours to remember forever. This is our 4th crowdfunding campaign. From the development and launch of our MochaCam, Mocha 360, and Alpha products, we've learned how to turn good design into reliable and durable products quickly and efficiently. Memory can be blurry, notes can be lost, but recorded images tell the true stories of our lives. Capture the best moments of your life with Snap. Upload them to the cloud and keep them forever.
This is Link. It connects two or more people together so they can find each other. It's a simple one-button interface. Just pair two or more devices, and then follow the arrow and distance right to your people. That's it. All without the need for phones, maps, connectivity, or subscriptions. Have you ever been lost or separated from your group? Been unsure at a fork in the road? Anxiously waited for your group to return? Struggled to describe where you are? Turned around in a crowded place and your child is gone. But Link is as much for fun as it is for safety. Find your friends at music festivals. Stay together in large crowds. Reunite easily on ski trips. Allow your kids to explore with more peace of mind. Or simply enjoy your outdoor activities with more confidence. Link uses a new approach to GPS and has a range between devices of up to 3 miles. Scroll through groups of up to 12 with a user interface that's simple enough for a young child to use. Link lasts up to 3 days without recharging, and its built-in clip allows you to attach the device to your clothes, gear, or even pets. Engineered to endure the harshest environments, from snowy descents to young kids. Link is more than a people compass. You can set meetup locations that everyone in your group can easily find and return to. A safe zone feature alerts you when anyone strays outside the boundary that you choose. It's great for kids and pets. No more worrying, wandering, or waiting around. Link will find your people when nothing else will.